Going over now to Jessica Simpson, I have this very cute gray top. It is a gray sweat top, perfect for wearing with jeans, and we see these nice bead detail right on the chest. Very cute, giving a very dressed up look in sizes from extra small to XL. It does look like the last few are here. Here's also a crocheted look. Gorgeous with some jeans. I love this type of crocheted sleeve detail. It's beautiful. Now besides this peach color, it also does come in cream, way more versatile I would think. Also looks good for kind of a more warmed up spring look. Comes in sizes extra small to extra large. Again, check online because there's a wider variety of sizes there. And these are $29.50. Now this sweatshirt by Jessica Simpson, so cute. Look at this detailing right here of the beading. I love this. It's a relaxed fit sweatshirt. Looks like a dropped sleeve. So flattering on most people, and it is $29.50. Also by Jessica Simpson here. It is a blouse, and this is a flowy peasant blouse that was so popular in the 2010s. Looks like it's coming back. Scoop collar and beautiful ruffling detail. It is $29.50 by Jessica Simpson. Another variation on this same style by Jessica Simpson with the ruffling on the sleeves. This is beautiful, and the ruffling at the neckline. A bit of a cropped fit, so please note that when you are sizing, you may want to size up if you don't want a very cropped look. More by Jessica Simpson here. I'm loving this two-top look by her with a white cami underneath and a scoop neck peach top. Gorgeous for a spring day. We also have it here in this grayish blue color, perfect for people who like a lighter look but don't want to always wear black, and both of these are $22.50. Now these are seen paired with this look right here, which I think would be so cute. This top and these jeans also by Jessica Simpson, and they are high-rise fit, ranging from sizes 2 through 14 or 16, priced at $34.50. I love the detailing and the relaxed fit. I love the whiskering through the front, and you can wear them either cuffed, like here. I think I would wear them cuffed, or uncuffed, as in here. These are kind of a funky style, these patchwork jeans by Jessica Simpson with some patch detailing on the right leg and also on the left leg. Also some holes. Very, very cute vintage look, and it is $34.50. Now more jeans by Jessica Simpson. I'm really loving these. These are relaxed throughout. They're wide leg jeans. They have very light whiskering on the front, but overall they're a light wash. I don't see them offered in any other wash, and they're $24.50. You could pair them here with this square neck blouse and also some black lace detail. Very nice for a winter night look. And this is $24.50. The jeans are $34.50. Some relaxed contour v-neck tees by Scoop. I'm really loving the peach, pink, blue, and green and black. Loving all their tops lately. I love this Pointanelle black top. I actually purchased one in cream, but I'm going to show you it here in black. Another knit top from Scoop. It's very cute. I love the puff sleeve detailing right here. I'm loving also the scoop neck and this detailing right here. Very, very cute. It is $26. And then they also have this knit look right here. Kind of an edge. This is also by Scoop, more of an edgy look. Knit sweater. Same detailing as the pink one, but it just looks more gritty and edgy. You could wear it with gray ripped jeans or black jeans. Just a very cute, edgy look. Then we also have this double We have this double top, again, a very Y2K look. I really like it. I like it with light jeans. It would look great on a nice spring, mild weathered day. And I know a lot of you are in very harsh conditions right now, and I'm so sorry about that. Let's show you some warmer clothes, shall we? This is also by Scoop. It is a jacket, black with some detailing on the collar. And is this a hood? Yes, looks like there's a hood in the back. Very, very cute, very warm feeling. Feels very insulated for the price. This is $28. Right here, we've got the gray jacket that is very similar to the last jacket I showed. It is also $28. We also have the barrel leg jeans by Scoop in a lighter wash with some hole detailing and some crease detailing right here. It's very, very cute jeans. Very nice look. We've got a sweat outfit by Scoop with drawstrings at the top, some V detailing, and a relaxed fit. Very cute for those days that you just want to be casual but also comfortable. We also have the wide leg sweatpants, also very soft. I'm actually really impressed with this material. In sizes extra small to double XL, I believe. It also comes in gray right here. Coming back to Scoop right here, we've got the barrel leg jeans. Very cute in this fuchsia color. Looks so trendy and so modern, along with this denim top to match. Okay, now we're back with free assembly. Last but not least, I see these wide leg double pocket front jeans. Very cute for $28, along with this yellow sweater with really cute detailing along the front, almost like a pointinelle. Also comes in the stripe.